This experiment basically is used for study of pole boiling phenomena and determination of critical heat flux apparatus. This is basically consists of voltmeter, ammeter, temperature indicator, dimmer stat, water bath and nichrome wire. With the help of this heater, we are supplying sufficient amount of voltage towards this heater. So due to this, the water gets start heating. So the water is reaching from the phase 1, that is nothing but it is heated initially at the lower temperature. After that, it will be started heating up to the natural convection towards the nucleate boiling. So that different phases of water we want to see with the help of this experiment. So here there is one nichrome wire which is placed inside this water. Whenever the temperature of water will reach higher, within this case the wire get break. So within this case we are getting the maximum amount of heat flux inside this water bath, and that we are determining with the help of the reading of the voltage and current. So we are multiplying the voltage into the current. Within this case, whenever the nichrome wire get cut. So this is nothing but the experiment of critical heat flux. Now we will start to take the readings. So initially we are increasing the dimmer stat from the starting position towards the certain voltage. So this container is having some amount of distilled water. Inside that we are placing one heater. After that we are very gently operating the dimmer stat. There is some changes inside the water has been take place. Initially it is at the lower temperature. By starting the heater, the water gets started boiling. It will be change its phase from the natural toward the nucleate boiling. So we are initially observing the temperature of the water is 26 degrees Celsius. See the changes in the water, the bubbles are forming and it will be reaching toward the upper surface. And temperature is also varying. So the nichrome wire get cut. Now it will be get cut. Note down the voltage and current. So with the help of Q is equal to voltage into current, you are determining the heater power in watts. After that you can find out the critical heat flux. that is given by using small q is equal to capital Q divided by area. So here we are considering the capital Q as a voltage into current divided by area we are considering for the nichrome wire. Yes. So this is our aim to find out the critical heat flux phenomena.